everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to bezel some resin cabochon. These cabochon are about 5 mm high and this is the bezel I'm going to show you in this video. With this kind of technique we can bezel high cabochon too. The bezel is adjustable to each kind of cabochon. To make this kind of bezel, we are going to use the Toho Hex, an hexagonal shaped kind of beads. You can find them in a lot of online beading stores. To make our Louise earrings, we will need some 15-0 bronze seed beads, some 11-0 bronze seed beads, some Toho Hex, some 11-0 silver-lined Milky Teal. And I'm going to use a 21 for 13 millimeters resin cabochon, but you can use other kind of cabochon and you can make this kind of bezel adjustable to your cabochon. But in this video I'm going to teach you how to make it. The cabochon I'm using is high, about 5 millimeters. You will need also other supplies such as some earring studs, 2 drops, some jump rings, 0.15 millimeters fireline thread and a number 12 needle. So let's start. Pick up 4 15-0 seed beads, 1 11-0 teal seed bead, 4 15-0 seed beads and the Toho Hex and bring them at the end of the thread. Then pass again through the first 5 beads to close the sequence into a circle. The thread exits the teal bead. Pass through the next 4 15-0 seed beads and pull the thread. Pick up a Toho Hex, 4 15-0 seed beads and another 11-0 teal bead and pass through the 4 15-0 bronze seed beads on the left. Pass through the next Toho Hex and then the 4 15-0 seed beads. So we have the thread exiting the 4 15-0 seed beads. Now pick up the teal 11-0 seed bead, 4 15-0 seed beads and the Toho Hex and pass through the sequence of 15-0 seed beads on the left, from the bottom to the top. In this way, pass through the next teal bead, pass through the 15-0 seed beads and go on in this way to complete all the stripe. I need a stripe of 20 modules in total, so I will make 19 modules and 1 to close the stripe into a circle. So go on this way until you reach your desired length. These are 4 modules. In this way you are going to make a basic bezel, but you can decorate the bezel as you prefer, with bicons, other seed beads, fire polished beads, etc, etc. So this is the final result. I've just finished the stripe and it covers the cabochon almost entirely, and it covers almost entirely the circumference of the cabochon, as you can see from the video. Now we are going to close the stripe into a circle. The thread exits the left side of the stripe from the top to the bottom. downwards. Pick up a Toho Hex and pass through the right side of the stripe from the bottom to the top. Now pick up a teal, an 11/0 teal seed bead, and pass through the 15/0 seed beads from the top to the bottom and pull the thread. Bring the thread exiting one of the teal 11/0 seed beads. So pass again through the beads with the needle. Pick up one bronze 11/0 seed bead and pass through the next teal seed bead. We are going to make a basil like this. We are going to close our resin cabochon with seed beads on the top and on the back side of our basil. So pick up one bronze 11/0 seed bead and pass through the next teal seed bead and repeat this step until you have completed all the round. This is the final result. As you can see, the basil start shaping, and now we have the thread exiting one of the 11/0 seed bead. Pick up a 15/0 seed bead and pass through the next 11/0 seed bead and repeat this step until the end of the round. This is the final result. Now we have to close the basil at the back side, so we are going to turn down our cabochon, bring the thread exiting one of the 11/0 Toho Hex seed bead, so this is the back side of the other earrings I made, and pick up one 15/0 seed bead and pass through the next Toho Hex and repeat this step until the end of the round. This is the final result, and now we have to go on adding some teal beads more. Now the thread exits one of the 15/0 we have just added. Pick up an 11/0 seed bead and pass through the next 15/0 seed bead. Repeat until the end of the round. And this is the final result. Now the thread exits one of the teal beads. Pick up another 15/0 seed bead and pass through the next teal bead. Fill the empty spaces with bronze beads. You can try to make this kind of basil with bagels too. I think it would work too. You can use smaller bagels. Now bring the thread exiting the X beads, pick up an 11/0 seed bead and pass through the next 11/0 seed bead. Repeat this step all the way around. This is the final result. As you can see, we have closed the back side of our basil. The thread exits the protruding teal beads. Pick up 3 15/0 seed beads and fill the empty spaces with them. Repeat the step all the way around. In this way, we are going to make a small decoration to our basil. You can go on decorating it with fire polished beads too, but in this video I will finish them only with the picot. And so this is the final result. This is the pink earring I made previously, and this is the cabochon we have basiled with this amazing technique. It is a right angle weave technique. And now we are going to add a drop. In this video I'm going to set the cabochon in horizontal. Bring the thread exiting the middle picot, and now we are going to add a drop. Pick up a 15/0, an 11/0, the drop, and 3 11/0 seed beads. Skip the 3 beads at the bottom and pass again through the drop. Pick up an 11/0, a 15/0, and pass again through the middle 15/0 seed bead to center the drop. And now you have to pass the thread more times through this sequence of beads to make it stronger and to reinforce the sequence of beads. Finally, add the stud with some jump rings, and our earring is just finished. So this is our Louise earring. Now I'm going to make the other one. Thanks a lot for watching my video. If you want to support my work, my free tutorial channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment and share it with your friends. Thanks for your attention and see you in the next video. Bye bye!